Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Jamia Millia Islamia Research Assistantship or Postdoctoral Fellowship 2021. First of all, talking about that program, Jamia Millia Islamia invites application for Jamia Millia Islamia Research Assistantship or Postdoctoral Fellowship 2021 from MSc or PhD degree holder. The positions are purely temporary, for which continuation will be subject to progress as well as co-terminus with the pursuing program. The selected candidates will receive an emolument of 55,000 per month for postdoctoral fellowship and 21,000 per month for research assistantship. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of Jamia Millia Islamia Research Assistantship or Postdoctoral Fellowship. First we talk about the postdoctoral fellowship qualification. Hold a PhD in physics or chemistry or material science or nanotechnology. Have publication in WOS or SCOPUS indexed journals. Experience in handling scientific equipment such as XRD, contact angle, etc. Industry experience will be preferable. And now research assistant qualification. Hold an MSc in physics or chemistry with at least 55% marks. Now talking about the benefit of that fellowship, the selected candidate will receive an amount of 55,000 per month for postdoctoral fellowship and 20,000 per month for research assistantship. Documents required: biodata. How can you apply? Go to the official website, prepare an application with biodata, send the biodata on the email address showing on your screen. Now important date 25 January 2021. The selection of the candidate will be made based on the application performance in the interview. Now talking about the terms and conditions of that scholarship. No TA or DA will be paid for appearing in the interview and or joining of the position. Employed candidate will be required to submit no objection certificate from his or her employer at the time of interview. Institute reserve the right to cancel the recruitment without assigning any reason. Thank you for watching this video.